All right, well, I'm doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm going to be talking today about a package I got from Comm. So Comm is a group. I guess I don't know what their name means. I guess I could look it up, but anyway, they ostensibly produce cool EDC gear and tools and things like that that are made for governments or whatever. There's kind of a spy-ish feel to things, so a lot of things aren't labeled. So you have, for example, this is my favorite watch and it's from them. It's got a nice sapphire bezel. It's an automatic watch. And the only marking on it is the Maritac symbol, which you'll see right there, which is kind of a trident. They make a lot of other little things too. There's a lot of titanium and copper and such. This is a great little thing I use all the time. X-Acto knives. It houses the blade inside the handle, and then it turns into a very usable length of X-Acto blade. It's very useful. I use it all the time. And my favorite flashlight is this little copper flashlight that they make. It's a little AAA flashlight. This thing has been fantastic. I've had it for a long time, and it puts out a lot of light. The battery lasts a long time, and it's got that the cool solid copper heavy feel to it. They're known for watches and flashlights and other things like that, but they have a lot of other things too. So if you're interested and you have you want to look up what they have, go to the website. It's countycomm.com. But I got a notice in the mail saying that they are producing these swag bags, or basically they're kind of like grab bag kind of package deals, kind of a surprise. You don't know what's in it. You pay a certain amount, and they said that the value of what you're going to get is between 3 and 5 times what you pay. Well, I got suckered into it. I got the big one. They call it the Big Daddy, and it's heavy. It's a big bag. And I'm really interested to see what's in here, so I'm going to unbox it with you. And this is an utter surprise. I do not know what's in here. I'm going to have to be careful opening it because I don't want to slice anything. Because I understand there might be a bag. Because they also do like backpacks and things like that. So we'll see what's in here. Wow, that's a very sharp knife, by the way. There's another smaller bag in here. Another smaller mailer. Ooh, and this one's heavy. And it rattles. Oh, that's going to be fun. And then there's these vacuum sealed packages inside of here. Oh, this is so cool. I wanted one of these. I really wanted one of these. So this is it's closed in a nice baggie here. This is a silicone parts tray. You put it on your workbench. Your parts, and if you're working on small fiddly things, they won't roll away. As you know, if you've watched my channel at all, I work on fountain pens. It'll be great for putting pens and parts into, so they won't roll away and disappear on me. It'll be soft enough; it won't harm any of them. I was going to buy one of these, so I'm glad this was a part of it. This is fantastic. Okay, so that's the first item. This second item, vacuum sealed. It looks like kind of like a, what do you call that? Like a Toiletries Bag, like you put your shaving kit and stuff in. Let's get that open. The vacuum sealed pack. That's kind of fun. And it's transparent. This is odd. It's an unusual bag. It's transparent. It's got a nice zipper. It's made out of kind of a silicone-y, rubbery feeling, vinyl-y, I don't know what it is, material. It opens up quite large. So I suppose if you have something that you're going to go, you need something, protected that won't get wet. This looks like one of those zippers that's water, not waterproof, but water resistant. It's got a nice kind of a covering over the teeth of the end. Yeah, so it's not airtight, but it's close. But it's because we've got double zippers here, and there's always going to be kind of a gap between them. So, okay, so they threw a bag in. That's interesting. I'm not sure what I'd use it for, but, everybody has use for bags, right? So that's the second item. Put that there. It looks like there's another bag right here. It might be a backpack or something, also vacuum packed. They must have like an industrial vacuum pack thing there. All right. Oh my gosh. This is, wow, it's big. It's a big bag. Is this one of their shopping bags? Because I was going to buy one of these too. Holy cow, it is. So, you know how everybody's going away from getting plastic bags at the grocery store and whatnot. Well, in Oregon, they've passed laws against them, so that if you want a plastic bag, with your groceries, whatever, if you want them bagged, you have to bring your own bags, or you have to pay for them. And so we've been carrying around a lot of these bags. Well, County Comm came out with this, it's like a ballistic shopping bag. It's heavy denier nylon. It's got that waterproof backing on it, and these heavy seatbelt straps. And this is another item I was going to buy from them. So, that's awesome. This is great. This is like a $30 item in and of itself. So, wow, 2 things I was going to get on my own anyway came in this bag. So this is fantastic. The silicone parts tray and that. Now this one looks like medical supplies, which everybody needs medical supplies. This alcohol pad, bandages, ace bandage. This looks almost like it's a first aid kit in and of itself. I wonder if there was a packing list. I wonder if it tells me anything about this. Like if this is a first aid kit, I don't necessarily want to cut it open. I think it'd be nice to keep it intact. Yeah, and this is one of those absorbent, trauma bandages almost. I think I want to keep this intact. And just put it in a vehicle or something like that as an emergency thing, because there's tape, ace bandage, alcohol pads. I can see band-aids and things in there. So yeah, I think this is a first aid kit. So that's an awesome thing. Maybe put it in this bag and put it in the car. No bad things here yet. Everybody needs first aid kits. Let's cut this next one open. By the way, this knife, oh, fantastic. Bark River JX6. Wonderful, wonderful. Slicey thing. Okay. Oh, they gave me another flashlight. That is super cool. I love these things. And this is the one that's got the diffuser on it. It's a little silicone diffuser, so you can make it kind of like a lantern sort of thing. It looks like it'll take the same AAA battery that... pull a little Duracell out here. Oh, unravel. There we go. The design's a little bit different. This one I think it's a turn on, but it's a twist on flashlight instead of my other one that has the button on the back. But again, these are, Maritac is very good quality. Well, it's bright. One of the things I like about their flashlights too is that the reflector is it's kind of an orange peel reflector, and they work really, really well. And they have the O-ring around the edge there. When I turn it on, it turns a little bit green. That's because that O-ring is glow in the dark, and you can't see it now, but I bet that if I turned off all the lights, you'd see a little glowing ring around there. So again, another fantastic flashlight. 3 settings on it's got a high, medium, and low setting on that. Just by twisting it and turning it on. Fantastic. Oh yeah, and the diffuser, let's show the diffuser. So it makes it kind of like oh, that's bright. Dang it. That's it. The high, yeah, these are such good flashlights. See, and this is glow in the dark as well. You can see that it's kind of glowing now. That's really cool. Wow, that is fantastic. I'm excited about that. Can't have too many good flashlights. Let's see what the next item is. This is some of their very fine paracord. This is 200-pound test, almost like a microcord. It's like paracord, but it's super fine. And how long is it? 65 feet. That will be very useful. And theirs has got that little white piece of the braid in there. That's actually reflective, so that if it's out at night, it'll reflect your flashlight light. Like if you use it as a something to string up your tent or whatever. Oh, this is good stuff so far. I think we're doing really good here. Oh, look, we got a lanyard. a braided one. That's something you could put on your flashlight if you wanted to, or any other thing. Maybe this is foretelling that there's something else in here that I might want to put this on. If not, I mean, I have some good knives I can attach it to, so that's cool. I like that square knot on that one. What's the next? Oh, some trauma shears. So these are great for cutting bandages and things like that. Something you would definitely want to put with your first aid kit and have in your car. So yeah, that's a good combination there. Something just fell out. Oh, one of their County Comm Meritac. It says County Comm Government Products Group, and then that's the Meritac symbol. Ooh, there's a pry bar in here. Oh, a solid titanium pry bar. That is super cool. I never thought of buying one of these just because, you know, I don't know. I didn't know what I would use it for, but I always wondered how useful they would be, and, you know, now I can find out. And that's a solid chunk of titanium there. My goodness. That is super cool. EOD Robotics Incorporated, solid titanium. Yeah, and all of the products have kind of what they call a cage number on it, which I guess is kind of a inventory sort of thing. I don't know. But that's really cool. Pry bar. What's this? Oh, look. Keychain. Phillips and straight screwdrivers. Those are useful. That's cool. And we've got a promo code. So yeah, so they've given me a 10% off promo code for the next purchase I buy. That came along with the bag. That's cool. Oh, look, these are cool. These are they're key rings. And I believe they're kind of a flat spiral, and they're made out of titanium. I might be guessing here. No, I don't know what these are. These are carbon fiber. Carbon fiber rings. What on earth would I use these for? They can't be opened, so... Okay, I'm mystified. I'm going to have to go on their website and figure out what these are for. But there are 3 carbon fiber rings here that, well, maybe they do open somehow. No, they're just solid. Okay, yeah. So I got 3 carbon fiber rings. Don't know what they're for. That's another odd thing in the Swagg bag there. Well, let's pull out this orange thing. This looks like a neck gaiter, balaclava sort of thing. Which is good. You know, those of us have had to wear masks in several places across the country still. These are useful. You just put it around your neck. But these are really long ones, so you can pull it up over your head. You can do a lot of different things with it. It's made with a very stretchy spandex material. The ones from County Comm are very high quality, so it feels really nice too. So this will be very useful. I like that. And I was hoping that I'd get a pair of these too. They have these tweezers. Again, you throw these into your first aid kits, but you can also use them for, like, you know, picking up small parts when you're working on little projects and stuff, such like that. How effective they are on pulling out, you know, splinters and such, I don't know, but it's a nice addition to that first aid kit thing that's going on there. Got more things in here. Oh, one of them I'm gonna leave the last one, for that last item that I just saw in there, for last, just because it looks like the pièce de résistance. They've got one of their patches. And I on their website they explain what this is about, and right now I just don't remember. But it's got a really kind of a cool backstory. It has the 2 pieces where you can sew this Velcro piece onto something, and then this can be a detachable patch on that, whatever you put it on. So that's cool. And then this right here, you know, I saw this on their website too, and I didn't really pause to look at it very much. It's got a Velcro backing, so you can stick it onto something, and I think it's was originally designed to be like a shell casing, like a shotgun shell case carrier thingy. But you could use it for other things, you know, like, I suppose if like me, you have a lot of massive fountain pens, and you can attach it on the inside of your bag, and you can, I don't know. But if you've got a shotgun, and I do, you can attach it with Velcro and have a set of I don't know. Again, this will be something to go on their website and see what exactly they advertise it for, but I have one here. And the pièce de résistance, the thing that actually is worth more than I paid, all by itself. So they make these capsule bottle things, which are really cool. These are actually, I don't know if they're 1 liter or 2 liter bottles before they heat them up and blow them out into the full mold size. But they make really durable and thick, strong cases to put pens and such in. And it has a soda cap bottle on there. And I just broke the seal on there to open this up. And this is one of their embassy pens. I've wanted one of these for so long, but I couldn't make myself buy one. It is super cool. I am really happy with this bag here. It's got a bunch of things in it that I was going to buy for myself anyway. A couple of things that I wished that I wanted to try out, like this embassy pen and this pry bar, and another wonderful flashlight. This grab bag was absolutely worth the purchase price, and there's nothing here that I won't use. Wow, kudos to you, County Comm. What a fantastic collection of things to sell. By all means, check out their website, countycomm.com. They're a great company that sells a lot of really good products. And like I say, my favorite watch, and I have a nice Swiss watch and things. This is my favorite watch of all of them. It just keeps fantastic time. It's comfortable. And their watch bands, if you're into these types of watch bands, the County Comm brand, the ones that they sell on their website, are better than any of the ones I've purchased anywhere else. They're very high quality. They come with stainless steel or titanium hardware. This one's titanium. The body on this watch is titanium. Just super high quality stuff that will last you your lifetime. And so I can't say any more about these guys that I haven't already said. But thank you for going on this little ride with me and this bunch of great surprises, and I'll see you later.